फोटोज डालूंगी पुराने वीडियो में से। Hey guys, thank you very much for stopping by to watch this video. It's a Saturday evening today, and what we have planned for today evening is nothing much. We're just going out and figuring out something in DLF Mall of India. I think that's how usual Saturdays and Sundays look like. So I am ready. I am just waiting for my husband to get ready, and if you think you haven't seen him yet, I'm sure you have. Here and here. I actually want to do like a Miniso haul today for all of you guys, so that you can see how the store here looks like, and there are certain things that I have in mind that I can pick up from there, and then once I am back from the mall I will definitely show it to you. So I think it's time for us to get going because it's already 5:30 in the evening and we are going to get stuck in a very bad traffic. That's how all the weekends go by. There's so much traffic to enter to the mall, but still here we are going there every weekend. I don't know what we try and do.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves, there's no one I can turn to. And I know
ट्रैफिक का डर था, ट्रैफिक में फंस गए। पूरा मॉल तक के रास्ते में बहुत बुरा जाम लगा हुआ है। एक तो बारिश हो गई है, ऊपर से वैसे ही वीकेंड है, सो आई थिंक वी विल टेक अनदर 20 मिनट्स एटलीस्ट टू रीच देयर, एंड देन पार्किंग का भी कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि मिल जाएगी, बट आई थिंक वी विल ट्राई। हम हर बार ऐसे ही करते हैं, हम बड़ी कंसिस्टेंसी दिखाते हैं, हम बिल्कुल नहीं डरते हैं, तो हम कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लेंगे आफ्टर ऑल। अच्छी चीज़ जो यहाँ हो गई है इज़ अ मल्टी लेवल कार पार्किंग दैट हैज़ कम अप इन सेक्टर 18. इफ़ एनी ऑफ यू हु इज़ वॉचिंग इज़ फ्रॉम दिस एरिया वुड डेफिनेटली नो कि मॉल की पार्किंग जब फुल हो जाती है तो दी अदर प्लेस फॉर यू टू गो इज़ दिस मल्टी लेवल कार पार्किंग, एंड देन थोड़ा सा रोड क्रॉस करके मॉल में जाना पड़ता है, बट आई थिंक और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। अगर जाना है तो जाना है।
there's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on.
We're back home, as you can see from the background, and now I hope you can recognize that this piece is at my home. I just picked up two things from Miniso. There was one more thing that I wanted to buy, and one of my friends actually recommended that to me, that it's a very good, so it's like an insulated mug that you can use while you're driving. So I wanted to buy that also, but unfortunately that was out of stock. So I just picked up two things which I will show it to you right now. And okay, so the first thing is this makeup sponge. I actually use makeup brushes from Sephora. This is the first time I picked up a sponge because I don't know, I just wanted to give it a try and see how really sponges work. I haven't been very friendly and familiar with the use of sponges. The other thing that I bought, and I wanted to buy this for quite some time, is this makeup brush cleaner. There are some available online also, but look at this is so adorable, isn't it? And I just love the color, so I picked it up. So this one is for $260 in case you want to buy it, and this makeup sponge was for 190 rupees. So the day isn't over yet. As a routine, I am quite fond of doing nail art for myself, so every weekend I try to make it a point that I change my nail patterns, and that's the next thing that I'm gonna do. So let me also take you through, if girls who are watching this are interested, because the nail art designs that I do are quite basic, and but they still look quite chic. So of course you can try those at home. I'm all set to do my nail art. I have my little station also in place. Let me just show you for this design what all would you need. These are all the things that you are going to need. One foil paper, some cotton, a nail paint remover, transparent nail paint, a red nail paint. As of tools, you would need a brush. I have bought a set of brushes which I use for my nail art. I will put the link of the pack of the products that I have bought. Otherwise, you can also use an old nail paint brush for this purpose. This is a dotting tool. Again, I'll put in the link in the description. Otherwise, you can always replace it with a toothpick. These are some of the embellishments that you would need. This is a golden glitter powder. You will see how this is used. This is a wheel with multiple color Swarovskis. And this is again some embellishments which look like pearl. So that's all what you're going to need. Now let's get into the tutorial. So now I have gotten rid of any existing nail paint that I had, and the second step after this is going to be application of a transparent nail paint. It really gives you your nails quite a bit of strength, because after repeated application of dark color nail paints, your nails tend to become very brittle and very weak. So it's always suggested, before you go ahead and perform any nail art or you apply any nail paint, it's better to put a transparent nail paint. And also, as a part of this particular nail design, a transparent nail paint needs to be applied, because there would be some part of the nail that would be exposed without any color. So you need some shine on that area. So let's go ahead and put this on our nails. Time for the main color. I have chosen a red color for this design. That you could use a pink here, you could use multiple colors on different fingers, and so it looks very pretty. So we are going to put this color right now. So what you are going to do is that you will not apply the nail paint on the full nail, rather you will just apply the nail color on the extended part. Don't worry if the bottom line here is uneven, because we will anyway cover this up with some glitter after a while. Once you've applied this nail color on all your nails, this is how it's going to look. And now you see that area without the nail color, and therefore we apply the transparent color also here. This is just one coat. You can quickly recoat it with another one so that the nail paint doesn't chip off very easily. So as you can now see, I'm done with both my hands. That's it for the Saturday. The Vella Saturday comes to an end. If you like this video, please do press the like button, give it a thumbs up. If you appreciate my videos, please do consider subscribing. See you again soon with another video and probably another nail art tutorial. Ciao!